Hi there, I'm Stefan, and today I'm going to take you on a tour through one of the world's biggest Chinatowns. It's called Yaowarat in Bangkok, Thailand. So first of all, getting to Yaowarat or Chinatown, Yaowarat Road, you take the blue line, the train, and get off at Hua Lamphong station. And then you just walk, and you see this beautiful temple here called Wat Trai Mit, the Golden Temple. And then you can just keep walking and I'll show you where to go next. Continue until you see this gate, then we're obviously very close, right? And from there you can just enter the dragon-shaped hedges here, a little walkway, a footpath along Yaowarat Road, where we will find all of the tasty Chinese food we're gonna try this evening. This is actually very cool at night because the dragon tail will light up. There is no shortage of tuk-tuks if that's what you prefer to get to Chinatown. And so now you're here at Yaowarat Road. You just walk up and down the road and find the yummiest food for you. So this is the beginning of August, meaning it's rainy season in Bangkok. And it's really beautiful, it's golden hour. Sometimes it looks like this, and other times it looks like this. So most people are bound to go up and down the main road, Yaowarat Road. But it's really worth it to head down a side soi like this and find some authentic Chinese food and Thai food away from the crowds. Some of the restaurants, especially the ones popular in social media, have long queues like this, where you'll have to stand in line for a long time. Here they're making pork. Tender pork and crispy pork. You'll find many traditional Chinese stores like this. I remember them from Taiwan and from the old quarters of Beijing. You'll find a lot of fresh fruit. Mangosteen, rambutan, longan. Sometimes they are cut up like this. Melon, pineapple, dragon fruit, and mango, of course. Find lots of beautiful seafood. Or why not try some bugs? Malang, as we say in Thailand. Scorpion. If ever durian is in season, you'll of course find that as well. Mango sticky rice. Khao niao mamuang. It's a very popular dessert in Thailand. Here we have some Isan sausage to the left from northeast Thailand, and also some dried pork.
We have shrimp sparrow, vegetarian sparrow.
Beautiful. Seafood spring roll.
Yes.
Fried spring rolls, very popular. Fried chicken, fried squid, fried shrimp, fried all kinds of dumplings. And you know, I always recommend you go down a dark alley by yourself, because that's where you'll find the most authentic things, food, stuff. So let's go on an adventure. Meow. See? Very interesting. You'll find shops like this. Anyway, enough exploring the dark alleyways. Let's go for something to eat. I am getting hungry. Of course, in Chinatown you can get shark fin soup. Say what you will about that. Some nice looking grilled octopus, grilled squid right here. seafood, fresh shrimp right here. Really beautiful at night. I must say, I am in the middle of Yaowarat Road, and it is just remarkably calm right now. Maybe it's because it's the rainy season, but it's pretty good. These blinked out tuk-tuks just ready to go, man. VIP. Yeah, of course. How come? Social media?
1, 2, 3. Are you a blogger?
Very, very small vlogger, yeah.
On the way. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
of course.
Sorry for waiting for a long
Oh,
time.
no problem.
Okay, thank
Do you speak Thai?
Oh, no, I'm Burmese.
Burmese?
Yeah, sure.
你要跟我啦?
Oh, yes, very good. Young Gao này.
Yeah.
You can speak Burmese? Yeah, a little bit.
Mingalaba. Yeah, very, very little.
Have you ever been to Myanmar?
No, I really want to go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Something for you?
제술 때 바데.
Oh, very thank you. Thank you. I appreciate
you.
it. You speak it very well.
Really?
Yeah, it's really, exactly. Yeah.
Google Translate, yeah. Okay, the waiter is from Myanmar. So I have steamed dumplings with peanut sauce. Let's try steamed dumpling. Peanut sauce, pork dumpling, very good. Wow,
I cannot pronounce this
beautiful.
one.
Xiao Long Bao, right?
Oh, yeah.
I think so. ใช่ไหมพูดภาษาไทยได้ไหมครับ
ได้ค่ะ
อ๋อ
Oh, he can
อัน
speak
นี้ใช่ไหม
really.
เรียกภาษาจีนเสาลุงเป้า
เฉาหลงเปา
ใช่
Chinese
เป้า
อ๋อแล้วภาษาไทย
ภาษาไทยเรียกเสาลุงเป้าเหมือนกัน
ซาลาเปา
ใช่ค่ะ อันนี้เกี๊ยวเนื้อ
แก้วเนื้อ
ใช่
เนื้อ like beef
ภาษาไทย
อ๋อโอเค
Oh, you really
ใช่
smart.
จึงเจ้า
จึงเจ้าอ๋อขอบคุณมากครับชื่ออะไรครับ
ชื่อเมย์เมย์ทุก
เนยเนยเธอ
yes
อ๋อสเตฟานครับ
เซ่เซ่
เชียร์เชียร์ thank you okay trying my mediocre Asian language skills here so we have steamed dumplings with beef เนื้อ then we have one of my absolute favorites xiao long bao in Chinese or salapao in Thai super good very hot and very tasty thanks for joining me on this little tour food tour if you will through one of the world's biggest Chinatowns here in Bangkok, Thailand, Yaowarat. Now, don't you love all these little lanterns you can find all over the street here? Very beautiful. Anyway, I'm gonna cross the river now and head to one of my favorite areas of town and go to one of the coolest shopping malls in Bangkok, which is really a treat at night. So don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss out on that. And if you want to see my video about visiting Icon Siam, just click this video right here. See you in the next one.